radio section.
Hello everybody. Today is a good day. We are making a Jiqui bass and it's going to be amazing. It's going to sound a little like this. Let's check it out. So it's going to be this bass here. And the way I used it was kind of like a background bass if you listen to the way I mixed it in. It's layered with others and it's acting as the call, and then the sustain is like the response. But yeah, let's get into it. This is going to be dope. If you guys want this full rack and you want the serum patch, you can get that in my Patreon. Get that below. Otherwise, let's get into this. Let's open up serum. We'll do serum first and then we'll get into the post-processing after. This is a pretty easy patch here. We're using a flange filter. We're using Monster 6. We're using basic shapes. I want you to make this LFO1. Gonna go up, down, half rate, on trigger. This LFO1 is going on the level all the way up. Turn on FM from B. Onto basic shapes. Turn on oscillator B. Get Monster 6 out of spectral. Put that boy in there. Wavetable positions at 128. Blends at 92. The level is at 0. And we'll use this to bring in other tones if we need to with FM from B. For now, we're leaving FM from B at 0. Filter, flange, minus. Then we're going to get the cutoff, put it at 218. Turn it up 30. Resonance is at 10%. It's going to sound like this. Can't hear much. What we need to do is we need to add some distorciones. Go to diode 1, put the LFO on it all the way up. We're going to add a phaser. Rates at 0.1, depths at 66%, frequencies 873, feed is 72%. Add the multiband compressor, gains at 9.2. Threshold is at -13. Everything else is the same. We add a reverb. Mixes all the way down and we turn it up 19 with the LFO. Size is at 15. Decays at 1.8. Low cuts all the way down. We're on Hall. High cuts at 35% and spin is at 25%. Giving it a little bit of reverb. And then lastly, we're adding a filter. The comb filter. Cutoff is at 80. Resonance is down, but the LFO is on the resonance going up 19. And we're pumping up the drive up to 35%. This gives us a nice sound to start with, to start making loud. That's what we're going to do now. So we'll start adding post-processing. And the first thing I add is an amp, just to add cool tones. We put it on lead, 30% dry wet. I have an easy loud rack here that I add. This loud rack has OTT, saturator, EQ, glue compressor. First we add the OTT. Outputs on 6%, 6 dB with time all the way up, 1000%. We add a saturator, 7 decibels of drive. Add another OTT, same settings. Add another saturator, same settings. Add an EQ8 to cut all the lows out and boost the little mids and highs. Add a glue compressor just to give it a little bit more volume. And compression, of course. Then we had a company OTT, which I copied from his tutorial. I just copied the settings here for the OTT. You guys can copy now as well. Then added Dripment stereo effects, which is going to be parallel compression. We have a mid chain, which is not doing anything, just holding the mono signal, and then the stereo chain, which is adding a stereo signal, which is this Haas effect, and some EQ. So that's giving us a middle signal and a wide signal at the same time, filling out the stereo field. Lastly, we had a JST clip to clip the signal at 0. To mix it in with the song, we cut more lows and we cut some mids here. Now it'll blend in. Woo! Oh. Yes. That's how we do it, guys. I'm glad you came to join me. That's the Jiqui bass. More to come. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Stay fresh.
Dripment.